Okay, so we are going to do something interesting in the lab, and since everyone is not here, so we are recording anywhere. It's okay. So let's see if we are going to download videos from YouTube. So you need an account. If you have an account with YouTube, it's okay. Otherwise, also you can download. So not a big deal, but still, if you have an account, it is better. Okay, but let's see what we have to do here. I've already shared the notebook. So what we require is PyTube. So we have to install PyTube, and we are going to do that. Pip install PyTube. So let's install it. So we have module actually for almost everything in Python. R is also strong. So I've worked on R also. But Python has grown a lot. Okay, so this much. You have installed PyTube. Now let's see. We have different options. We have to create an object first, and then we have to do that. I'll share the link of the base site, like the PyTube. Let me share the documentation. And okay, this is the link, and you can have a look at the link and explore more. But for now, we'll just see a few things. Okay, so from PyTube, import. Oh, did not come. Yes, PyTube, import. I have to import YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Right. So we are importing that, and you just have to do that, and we have to find a video we want to download. Okay. So any video which interests you, you can download that. First, you have to create an object. So you IOBJ will create or YT. YT is very commonly used. So YouTube is YT, which is actually there in your documentation of PyTube. So I'm using the same. YT is equal to uh, YouTube. We have downloaded here YouTube, and in bracket you have to give the link of the video you want to download. Okay, so let me one minute. Let me share the entire window with you so that we can enjoy that. I don't have to switch over then. Let me share the window. Okay. Okay. So let's see. We can find something on YouTube. Okay. So this YouTube. All right. We can download anything which is here. First, we have to click on that. So you can download. What to download? Okay, Apple i3 most confusing iPhone. Oh, okay. Let me decrease. It is says that it is the most confusing iPhone, Apple iPhone. I don't think so, but maybe I have 3 or 13. SE3. Okay, sorry. It is SE3. Okay. SE3 or 13? I thought it was 13. Anyway, whatever it is, there's nothing in iPhone. Oh, no confusions. Anyway, so we have this link here. You have to click on this, select the link, and then you have to put it in your code. Okay, so here you are. So YT is the YouTube, and then just put the link of the video you want to download. So let's see if it can download easily. Let's see first what title we can get. So let me first run it. Okay, so we can get the title and so get the title, get the title, get the title of the video. This will tell me that we have established the connection or not. It is as simple as that. Yt.title and sorry, I can print it or put it in print statement or something like that. But you can see that Apple iPhone SE3, most confusing iPhone, it has come, right? So you have got the title. That means you have been connected now to YouTube, the video you wanted to download. And now let's have a look with the URL. We can get the thumbnail URL. So yt dot we have thumbnail URL. Okay, so this is what we have. So let's run it and see what URL is there. Okay, so this is the URL. That is the link of the video. So you can use this also. This is the thumbnail URL. Then we have other options to download, and you can run that and see that it will be downloaded. We just have to say that YT to download, and it comes down. Is streams. We have to create a stream actually to download. So we just have a look at that. We have other options. I'm just exploring if we have to add some more, but I don't think it is required. I can simply download now. So I have another code also, so I can download. It is simple as that. So link we have created, stream we have to create. So let's see. So here is equal to yt dot stream stream dot, and then we can actually download. But first we have to create. Uh, let's see first, and we have other options also. So we can use that also. Different options are there, and stream.download or I have to use str, I think, yeah. I will just stream dot download. I can use that also, but I just use stream. So you can use str also, but it was just like already there. Now where will it download first of all, and what will be the format it will be downloading that into? So let's see. This will be actually, no, there's some issue. It has no attribute stream. Okay, I have not actually imported a stream. My mistake. I have to import actually sort and stream also, because I'll be using it frequently. So let me import that also. 1 minute. I need to stream is there in YouTube? Yes. I've used it properly or what not is there. I have to use sorting also, but it's okay. Use a few more options are there to download, or I can do it directly also. So for now, I think this should be okay. Stream, it is streams actually, not stream, so it should work. Nothing else is required. You don't require any other thing to download or import. Sorting, if you want to do, then you can have other options there. Yeah. You can see that it is content Apple iPhone SE 3, most confusing iPhone, as 3GPP. This is a mobile version actually. This is your more of a mobile format. So there it is. You can click here on the files and you can see that it is already there. You can download it and see if it works or not. It does work. Okay, you can see, download and check. You cannot play it here, but you can always download it. You can change the name, you can rename it, and or you can just keep it, download it now on your system, and then you can enjoy it. I've not actually, let me check. I just download. I've not downloaded it, but I've just put it here. So let me see if I can download here. Downloading should not be an issue. It may take little time, and video lectures you can download. Sometimes you want to download it, create atlas. So this is a very simple way of downloading your YouTube. But this is a 3GPP, that is mobile version. Not actually. Let me play it here and see. It may not be of very good quality, but that's okay. So okay, I can see that I have played it. You may not be able to see that, but here the quality of the video is not very good because it is 3GPP, but that's okay. You can download. Now, if you want a better quality, you can download that also. You have an option. So let's explore that and other options we have. So let's see. Hmm. I can. Hmm. I can have the link path of the path where I want to download. I can give that also, and I want MP4, so I have to put the filter there, and I have the same thing. Let's have the link there. I have few filters. I have filters. Yeah, we can use filters to download this, and I can download actually anything. So all you have to do is YouTube. First, you have to create. Let's create an connection. You can use this, and the link you have already. The link. Here you are. I can use this link, or I can download my own. Why should I download their video? I should download my own videos. Okay. I have a link of my video. Yeah. Why should I go there? There you are. Let me check. It is the same. Oh, it has opened another window. I don't want that. Yes, it is the same link, so just have to use it. Okay, just pause it. And I can download that now. So I'll just put it here. This is actually filter we are creating. I'll be putting everything in one line actually, or you can have different also. Dot streams dot first equals first down bracket dot download together, but this won't actually download in your MP4 format. So I will, oh, 1 minute, just enter, sorry. Okay, so YouTube, that is the link, and streams.first.download. Now, what I have to do is I'll create an object rather, and then I'll just put it. This is the same, but I have object created. Stream I have, but I can have a stream and then do it, or and use the download and do the streaming part later. I can do that also. But what I am going to do now is I'm going to create again a stream. So let's not confuse ourselves. So stream equal to yt dot streams dot filter. Yt dot streams dot filter streams dot filter, and we can have there progressive is equal to true, and we have to put a file extension. File extension is equal to mp4. File extension spelling is not correct. File no, extension, yeah, this is what, yeah. Don't need anything else now. Okay, now order by, that is your filtering this order by descending order. You have ascending or descending order. Order by resolution. So resolution, what is a better resolution? We are sorting on the resolution in the descending order. So like descending order, and then we have the first. That is the first video you get on this descending order. Now I have to download that. So stream dot download. As simple as that. Let's see. I've not tried this, but it is giving me some error. So file extension of this double equal to. That's okay. We have this. Either you can use this or you can use here streams. So let's run it. There should be two downloads. So there's some error here. YouTube object has no attribute streams. Spelling mistake. Yes. So it is mp4, and the file we have is a big one. So we have the content now, basic python basic 3.mp4, and let's see what we have here. So we have three. One is a 3gg gpp, that is when I use this one, and now this is the filtered one, mp4. So you can download and check. Let me put a comment so that there's no confusion here. Download MP, I'll check it. MP4. Mistake again. And this is load 3GPP. 3GPP is something which is actually very common and easily download. You can easily download that, but the MP4 sometimes creates some issues. But now it is already downloaded. I can actually save it, or I can simply run it. Download. I'm not downloading it. It may take little time because this one was a little big file. So it may take little time. So let's wait and see. Because I just want to see, check the quality of the video which we are downloading. So if you had any issues in downloading your videos, you can always do that. You can also authenticate it. I'll just put a command there and show you the comments. It is there on the documentation page, which I have already shared of PyTube. So you can have a look at that also. Okay, so let's open it and see. You may not be able to see that because I'm using something else. Okay, this looks good. Oh, that's good. Yeah, this is good enough. This is same to what we actually uploaded. Okay, so you can have MP4 now, or you can have the 3GPP. That if you're downloading, you want to save it on your mobile, then 3GPP is good enough, because big files you would not like to save it on your mobile phones. But on this MP4, you can have the links also. So you have the cloud. You can put it on the cloud. This is what I normally do. I put everything on cloud so that I don't have to worry about the system I'm using. I just have to connect to my cloud, and then I can share it with you also. Okay, so it's very simple, very simple. And let me put the uh, commands, actually, the filters which is there already on the documentation page. I put it here. That is
So,
you have, yeah, tell me.
what is the pixel of it, sir? I mean, the one which you have downloaded MP4.
MP4 pixel, it depends what it has to do with pixels. MP4 is
I mean,
the compressed quality, na?
yes, sir.
MP4 actually these are the compressions. MP4, MP3, they are the video compressions, right?
Yes, sir.
And pixels actually depends on the video, how it was shot. This is the similar, because we uploaded MP4 only, so we have downloaded MP4 only. But if it is not like MP4 quality, then it will try to make it MP4, but then it may be an issue. So I don't know. I have not tried with any other thing. You can try that, right? You can try it, how it works, but it should not create any issues as such.
So, in case we want to download with a high pixel quality, is there any code for that, sir?
Oh, okay. You want okay, resolutions. You're talking about 720 and all, nah?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You're talking 720, and that is the options you get when you use your YouTube
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
downloader. You use YouTube downloader, and then you have the options there to have 720 and all, 1024 and all resolutions. You are talking about, these are not pixels, these are resolutions actually. Okay, so when you download, you can actually, this is MP4, and MP4 is a high quality download. 3GPP is the least. That will be somewhere around the 720 or something, or 360 even. So that option we don't have as such, but you can check it on the documentation, because I have just put something here. Then YouTube, you have YouTube watch video. That is the video which is on YouTube about this thing. Then progress and all. Then we have filters actually, and let me see if we can get something on the filters. So this callback and all that has to be put. I just put this, won't work. Again, just put it. But it is there on the documentation page. So let me see if I can find something on uh, uh, filters. And filters, we don't have. Yeah, we have resolution also. Yeah, you can get the resolution also. One minute. Let me see this one. Theme dot filter progressive is equal to 2. This is there already. So let me run it. Just run this part. This is what we get. I tag 17 minus video tag 3GPP, resolution 144, files per second, flips per second. Sorry, FPS is 12 FPS. We code MP4. You can have this type video stream. There are different here. 360 options are there.
Yes.
720 resolution, that is there. Okay, so you can have this also. 144 is the standard actually. You can have it here also. These are two which are download. So it.streams.filter, you can get the filter also. and you can have some more details like this. Adaptive is equal to true. YT, what is the problem with YT? YT is okay. Okay. Resolution is 1080. You can see that. Progressive is false. Type is video. Stream is this. You can get different options here. Okay. So you can filter out, and if you want only the audio, so let's see what we get. Only the audio. You don't want the video. So I'm not use download. Okay. So I'm not using now. I'll just remove this. This is not required. You can have it there. You can have it something like this. So you just want audio only, so you can have audio only. So filter, this filter here, progressive instead of filter, you can give this thing, and you can have adaptive is equal to true, progressive also is equal to true, or only audio is equal to true here, and then we can download that. Okay, we have order by resolution. We are ordering by resolution. That's why you can see that uh, it is in descending order. So you can have the first one there. It depends actually, and if you have want to filter on MP4, so we have MP4 separately also. Filter you can always give. You can see that that was already MP4 filtered, so that's why you're getting MP4 filters there. And then you just have to download that. You can put that tag, I tag, whichever you want. So I want, let's say I tag is there. So from I tag I can actually download. This is 1080. So 137 is there. Okay, you can see this is 137. I tag is 137. So I want a 137. So you just have to get actually the options there, and then you can use the I tag. I'll be using it, and let's see, stream is equal to YT dot streams. Okay, streams dot filter. I have to put I tag. Okay. Uh, get by I tag. No, I have to put get by I tag. Filter. I have already filtered it. Okay. Dot get. Oh, yeah. Get get by I tag. It is there. So I have the tag here. The tag here is 137. So 137 numeric. I have to put it in this and stream dot download. That's it. Stream dot download. It is giving me some error. Why it is giving me an error? Why it is giving stream. Stream is not defined. No, it is there. Stream is equal to is already there. Let me see. Yeah, it is there. So now what you have got is again the same file, 1024. This is what you have got. Was in descending order already. So you get the same file. You can rename the files also. You have options to do that also. I tried it, but it was giving some errors. So you have this progressive. You can get true, and then adaptive true, or you want to filter on audio only. You can see that, or extension MP4. If you say extension MP4, you get I tag is 18. You can see the resolution is 360, or I can see This is what I wanted, MP4 adaptive truth, and you can see that it's not in descending order. Okay, so you have 1080 pixels there resolution. So now I tag 137, or I can have another I tag which will be there here, 136. So I can choose that, right? So if you want the 1024, 1080, sorry, or 720, so any of that you can use. 1080, 720, 480, 360 should also be there. Yeah, 360 is also there. So you can download. So this is how you can use, right? So you have a choice. And what else we can do? Let me see. We have already downloaded it now, and we have the subtitle and the captions also. So let's see. We don't have a caption here, but I have a video where it could be my own video. Let me see. YT dot captions. Let's see. I've not put any captions there, but still put YT dot captions. So you can actually do almost everything you want to. Caption is only English. There is no caption actually. Caption language is English. Auto-generated code is E dot English. If there's another caption available, then you can have that also. Okay. So we can have the captions. If you want to capture that, you can have that also. Caption you can get by language code EN, and you can have the XML caption also. Then we have other options also. So it is all there in your documentation. So we have this also. Let's have one more thing we can do. We can create a playlist. Okay, we can create a playlist, and we have to import from PyTube. Import playlist. Let me first run it and check if it is working fine. Then I can proceed. Yeah, it is working fine. So I can proceed now. So we want to create a playlist. You can do by initializing the object with the playlist URL. Okay, so we have to get a playlist URL, and let me see if I have some. I have my own playlist also. So let's see. 1 minute. Let me check. Okay, so playlist URL. This has a playlist also. But from where to get this playlist here? From my channel, I want to get my playlist. Okay, let me see if I can get that. Your channel purchase YouTube. I created a playlist yesterday. Play all playlist. I have a playlist, yeah. YouTube channel. Let me see. Works. It is opening this. Play all. Do I get a playlist like this? Let me try. So let me try this. Okay. I'm not too sure about this playlist, but it's okay as long as it is working. So playlist P, sorry, Yeah, where are we? Yeah, P is equal to playlist and the URL I'm putting, and from a video link also we can create. And let's run it and see if this works. Yeah, and let me print P and see what is there in it. I can do actually other things. Yeah, it has all the links now, all the three. You can see that. So if you have a playlist and you want to have your playlist, like you have the playlist for the songs, sometimes you have party songs and you have a playlist there. So what you can do is you can download this and create your own playlist. Which you don't want, you can simply remove. You can create your own playlist using this, very easy. Okay, you have the playlist now, you have the links now, you just have to create it. You have to just download it and modify it, and then you can have your own playlist. And if you want to download using the playlist, you can do that also. And you can actually get the title also, and you can download also. Download title. Any issues? No. Download data science. Okay, this is downloading data science. I'm not downloading anything, I just put it downloading. It is p.title. So p.title gives me the playlist title. Okay, so you can use a loop. Okay, so let me put it like this. For video in playlist is either p dot videos. This was wondering what we're doing. Uh, video dot stream. We already have the streams. Dot first dot download. As simple as that. For VD in p dot video, VD, sorry, VD. It should be VD. For VD in this, it's giving me some error. Why? Unindented, not expected. What? Not expected. For VD in p dot videos, VD dot streams dot first dot download. So let's see if it can download all the three. Still tell me. It may take a little time because I have downloaded the three videos and it's not showing me anything. But let's see if it has come. Yeah, yeah, it has come. Python 1, 2, 3, all the three have been downloaded, but the filter is 3GPP. So you can modify it and have a 3 MP4 or whatever using all these options. You have the filter here. You can filter it out, and then you can create the stream, and then you can download. I just downloaded it directly, but you can have, but by default it is also is a 3GPP, so you can always change it. Okay, and you can get the URL. So you can get the URLs also for link in dot video videos dot underscore URL URLs colon 3. The three URLs, right? So can be more. The third option you're getting, you can give it also. Layer 3 only, so I have put 3. We can get the length, we can get the URLs. Already I have got the URL, so there's some issue. Videos, okay, it says that it doesn't have that, but it is there. Video URLs. If it is not there, okay, sorry, my mistake. URL is not defined. Yes, it is not defined because it is the link. It's not URL. I was talking about URL, so I put URL there. Okay, so you have the URL now. You have the links now. All the links listed like this. Or you can put it in your list. You can create a list. You can append to it, uh, and then you can modify, change, create your own playlist, and then just have to click on that and play the videos you want to play. Okay, so you have other options also. You have the channels. You can import the channel itself and see now how it is doing, and we can create, you can interact with the channels also. Okay, like you're interacting with the playlist, you have the channel also, so you can just put the link of any of the videos, and you can interact with the channel. You can create the channel, and then you can print what the videos are there on the channel. So, and you can download and again do the same thing. Only thing is you have to change here is channel, sorry, not channel, but it is there on the documentation page, so you can have a look at that also. I'm sharing it. I have put the UI, yeah, I have put the URL there. So this is for PyTube documentation, and you can use and see how it works. It is interesting, you know. I found it yesterday. I was doing something and I've actually landed with something else. So I thought that let's share it with you guys. You can enjoy that instead of the usual stuff. Let's have something else also, so that you can enjoy and create your own, use your own creativity and do things more, and apply the things. Like we can actually use a video processing also. We can use this in data science. So in the AI, use a lot of image processing, signal processing, audio, video, everything we use. And data processing is always there. The data is analysis of the data only, but more information you can actually get from the images, from the videos, from the audios. You can create a lot more, right? So you can apply your ML there, machine learning, AI, deep learning, whatever you want to apply. You can apply the algorithms. We have already done those algorithms. So machine learning we have completed all, boosting we have done, and then we have done some deep learning types also. So and then LSTM I think already we have done or not. I'll check it, but we have done that also. NLU we have used. So BERT for yeah, text analysis. NLP we have used BERT also. So BERT is transformer. It is advanced form now. It is more than what you do normally. And clustering we have done DB scan. I shared with you, but I have not given you theoretical part of it. I'll do that, but I thought that since it is a lab, so we can enjoy a few things here. Okay, so I'm sharing this with you, and then you can explore and have more ideas what you can do with this. You guys can do more than what I am doing, and the link is there. So let me share this link with you first. Save it to GitHub. So let us say on lab 10. Okay, that's okay, doesn't matter. I will be renaming them when I'll be uploading them on the uh, YouTube channel. So they will be different. I don't have to record. So let's pause.